And I don't believe it's right for someone to steal. But I'm a man with a family to provide for, that's the deal. If I could find a way, an honest way, I swear to you I'd take the job today. But they don't want me, or nobody like me, with a 10th grade education and a rap sheet. So I take unnecessary things from those who can't afford to lose their necklaces and rings. I ain't no Jesse James. I just look my options through. I got 2 kids and a wife who deserve a decent life. So I do what I gotta do. There's a guy up near Bakersfield who likes what I gotta sell. So I ain't scraping by no more, cleaning toilets in some rich man's hotel. Sometimes when I'm winding through the grapevine, driving north across that Kern County line, I keep hoping for blue lights coming up behind, coming to relieve all this pressure in my mind. And yet I take unnecessary things from those who can't afford to lose their necklaces and rings. I ain't no Jesse James. I just looked my options through. I got 2 kids and a wife who deserve a decent life. So I do what I gotta do.
Get out of the house. Can you see me through your sadness? So far, so good. I'll just take a little drive. I must be feeling blue. I wanna be alone. Be alone with you. These kids, I wanna love them and leave them. They sure want their $50. Knew this, knew that. Makes me wanna holler. This generation can't even tie their shoes. Wanna be alone. I'll be alone with you. Woman shirts, no shoes. Let's try to get some service around here. This night I wait in the car just a minute longer. I go back to a time when we felt a little stronger. Forever promises are too good to be true. I wanna be alone, be alone with you. Woman, it's been too long since I shook you down. No shirts, no shoes, let's try to get some service around here. If I come home late, lay down next to you, will your hair smell sweet, or will you pretend to be asleep?